Dear children, today we are going to learn a new magic lesson. All of you interested in magics, right? So something happened in a overnight or else which we don't expect, unexpected things happen. You excited na? Yes, that kind of very interesting one, magic thing. What happened in this in this lesson to the jug that we can see. All of you interested to see? Yes, let's see. So the name is Jack and Beanstalk. Jack and Beanstalk. Jack is the name of a person. But what about Beanstalk? Do you know what is this Beanstalk? Yes, Beanstalk means which is grown up very high. Beans plants only but grown up very high. That we call it Beanstalk. That we call it Beanstalk. Okay, so here Jug and the Beanstalk, that we can see in this lesson what happened. So Beanstalk here we can see which is grown up very long. That is the plants grown up. Beanstalk, shall I write? Beanstalk means beans plants grown up. Beans plants are grown up very high, almost touch to the sky. That we call it beanstalk. Okay, now got it? Now see this. What makes people lucky? Yes, lucky means of course hard work is important, and sometimes what we have done for that work also we get lucky. How do they stay lucky? So sometimes we get the lucky, but can we continue that lucky means not at all. But some people are always lucky people. Whatever they do, it continues if they get it. So fortune in this sense is luck. So in that way, fortune, adrusta, that is of course luck, good. There is a saying, good luck comes to those who are not afraid to step forward and look for it. So good luck comes to those who are not afraid to step forward. Who are not afraid to step forward. Any kind of work to do it. Who never afraid of. Who never gets fear. Okay. And who never looks for these things happen, that things happen without doing the work. So that people who never who never try and without doing any work, so that people never get it. Okay, children. So here, who are not afraid to step forward? Who are not afraid to step forward? Any work to start it, they never get any fear. Yes, those people get the luck in their life. So for any work, no, I can't do it. So some other people will do it. Later I will do. Like that, if you say, do you get your own luck? Do you get your own recognition? No. Anyone will praise you? No. That's why our own creation if we do, it definitely we get our own praise. Now see this one. Here is the story of such a boy. How that luck continued to him. That we can see. Who is that boy? Jack. What happened? Once upon a time, there lived a poor widow and her son Jack. There lived a poor widow. Widow means who lost her husband. That woman we call it widow, Nana. Okay. Widow means widow. Widow means a woman whose husband died. Whose husband died. So that we can call it simply widow. Widow. Okay, ma. So husband died or has not married again. So husband died and later should not marry again. Those we call it widows. And now, so here both of them, mother and son, widow and son, both are living. And one day Jag's mother told him to sell their only cow. So they have only one cow, but they are very poor. So to eat food also they don't have. That's why they want to sell the cow. Only one cow they have. That if we sell some amount, some money we get it. Then with that sometime we can enjoy. We can have the food, not enjoy. We can have the food. That she said. So Jack went to the market and on the way he met a man Who wanted to buy his cow? So, mother told to Jock, na, yes, go and sell the cow. That's why he went out to the market. But on the way only, he met a man who wanted to buy his cow. So that person wanted to buy before going to market only. So what will you give me in return for my cow? So you wanted to take my cow. So what will you give me in return to take my cow? Who asked this one? Jack. Okay, so Jack asked this person, that person, yes, if you want my cow, I'll give. But in return, what do you give me? That Jack asked. Then the man answered, I will give you 5 magic beans. So, okay, don't worry, I will give 5 magic beans to you. Then, instead of that, you give me cow. So, Jack took the magic beans and gave the man the cow. So, all of you know the beans, na? Beans, what we eat. Yes, vegetable. Okay, Nana. So, yes, that magic beans he had given. And Jack took the magic beans and the man had taken the cow. So, the man took the cow. But when he reached home, Jack's mother was very angry. See, only for magic beans can he sell the cow? No, that magic beans, what is there? Did he find it? No, that is also. How? So that's why his mother got too much of angry. Why? Why did you sell for after all 5 magic beans? So she said, "Oh fool! You took away your cow and gave you some beans. So he took away your cow. You fool! Can't you understand that these are not magic, nothing at all, just beans. 5 beans he gave, and instead of that he had taken your cow. So don't you think in that way? That is also can't understand." That mom scolded. Then she threw the beans out of the window. So just these are beans. That's why simply she threw the beans out of the window. Beans out of window. And then Jack was very sad and went to sleep without dinner. If mummy scolds, do you eat? No. Do you feel happy? No. So sad. That's why Jack also felt so sad. And no, I don't eat dinner. That he said, and he went off. See this? So he slept. The next day, when Jack woke up in the morning and looked out of the window, he saw that a huge beanstalk had grown from his magic beans. Mummy threw the magic beans aside now. So yes, when he woke up in that place, a big magic beanstalk grown up. He was shocked to see this. And he climbed up the beanstalk and reached a kingdom in the sky. So that beanstalk very high, so that almost reached in the sky. So then immediately he climbed up beanstalk. What is this? This is showing some way. So to see that, he has the way there. So easily he can climb. That's why he went up. So then they observed. So he went to the kingdom. So in the sky, kingdom is there. So there lived a giant and his wife. So where did he go? Kingdom. Who is living there? Giant and his wife. So who is this giant? Giant means an imaginary creature. Giant means an imaginary creature. Imaginary creature which have some powers, which have some magic powers. Okay, very tall and strong. So an imaginary creature, very tall and strong, but great powers they have. Okay, so that person, giant and his wife living there. Jack went inside the house and found the giant's wife in the kitchen. So when he went there, a big kingdom, looking very beautiful. So when he get into the house, he saw Jack's wife in the kitchen. Giant's wife in the kitchen. Who saw that one? Jack. Then Jack said, "Could you please give me something to eat? I feel hungry." So Jack asked Giant's wife, "Could you please give me something to eat? I'm so hungry," that he said. Right, then the kind wife gave him bread and some milk. Yes, she gave him bread and milk. Right, and while he was eating, the giant came home. So that very tall and strong man, so he came home. The giant was very big and looked very fearsome. So his face is very serious, very to see we feel very shiver. That kind of person he is. Jack saw him and he felt he got shivering. So and Jack was terrified and went and he hid inside. So Jack was horrified, worried about it, afraid of him, and he went and hid himself inside of the house, inside of the kingdom. The giant cried, fee, 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 fo, fum. Their language, na? Fee, fee, fo, fum. I smell the blood of a human. Be he alive or be the dead. I will grind his bones to make my bread. So the wife said, there is no boy, he is in here. So Jack terrified and he hid himself. But this giant found the smell. He fee, fee, fo, fum. So I smell a blood of human, either alive or dead. But some human is here. So I want to eat the bones, grind the bones. Grind means here make something into small pieces. What is my grind means? Grind means make something into small pieces. Make something into small pieces. So like that, so I will grind his bones. Who said this one? Yes, giant said. So now here, this our Jack felt afraid of him and he got too much of shivering. He may find it. So then the wife said, no, there is no human here at all. No, nothing to worry. No one is here. That she said. So the giant ate his food and then he went to his room. So he ate his food and he went into his room. He took out of his sacks of gold coins. So come some group. So some quantity of gold coins. Counted them and kept them aside. So this giant has already some gold coins. So that he counted and he kept them aside. Then he went to sleep. So he kept those sacks of bags of gold coins that he kept and he went to sleep. In the night, Jack crept out of his hiding place and took one sack of gold coins and climbed down the beanstalk. See? So from that giant he had a sack of gold coins. Na? From that one sack of gold, one packet, one bag that he had taken and he came down from the beanstalk. So at home he gave the coins to his mother and then his mother was very happy and they lived well for some time. Yes, now they instead of cow they got just these beans. Na? So they don't have any food to eat. They don't have money also to buy all the things. So that's why when this Jack brought the sack of gold coins, then the mother felt so happy and she sold them and they led their life very happily for some time only. Some time. And next, climbed the beanstalk and went to the giant's house once again. So some days they enjoyed, but again they need food. Na? That's why once again this Jack went to the giant's house through the beanstalk. So Jack asked the giant's wife for food, but while he was eating, the giant returned. Yes, again same. He asked the giant's wife, please give me some food, something to eat. So while he was eating, again the Jack returned. The giant returned. So that giant was returned here. So what is the meaning of return? He came back. Na? Return means here he came back. So once again he returned from this. So Jack leaped in fright and went and hid under the bed. So Jack leapt. So he felt so worried, shivered, and again he went and hid himself under the bed of giant only because giant is very strong and tall. So to see him he was afraid and again he bent over. So he hid himself under the bed. So now then again this giant cried, fee, fee, fo, fum. I smell the blood of a human, be he alive or be the dead. I will grind his bones, make my bread. So instead of my food for this bread, yes, I will eat all. I'll crush his bones. I'll make his bones, grind it. Then I'll eat it. That he said. So then again his wife said, Jane's wife said, no, there is no boy in here. No boy here, no human here. That she said. The giant ate his food and went into his room. There he took out a hen. So he went to his room. So there he took out a hen. What is the specialty of hen? He shouted, lay. And then the hen laid a golden egg. So whenever this giant said, lay, then the hen laid a golden egg. How great it is. So, and when the giant fell asleep, Jack took the hen and climbed down the beanstalk. So, that was because this Jack was under the bed. So, that's what giant was doing. This Jack saw this one. Then immediately he took that hen and he climbed down through the beanstalk. And Jack's mother was very happy with him. So yes, very good, the luck we are getting. So everything we are getting very happily, that she felt so happy. And after some days, Jack once again climbed the beanstalk and went to the giant's castle. Castle means a big house. Castle means a big, large, strong building. Nothing but kingdom. C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. Castle. So that we call it a large strong building. A large strong building. That we call it castle. A large strong building, we call it castle. Okay, ma? So that he went. So after some days, Jack once again climbed the beanstalk and went to the giant's castle. For the third time, Jack met the giant's wife and asked for some food. Yes, same time. Third time also he asked, please give me some food to eat. Once again, the giant's wife gave him bread and milk. Every time she is giving same bread and milk, again she gave. But while Jack was eating, so all time, whenever he came, that's immediately he ran away, he hid himself. But this time, while he was eating only, suddenly the Jack came home. So, fee, fee, fo, fum, I smell the blood of a human. Be he alive or be he dead. So, I will grind his bones to make my bread. So, again same dialogue, fee, fee, fo, fum. So, I want to kill this human blood, I can smell it. So, I want to grind the bones of that boy and I want to make it my bread, cried the giant. But again his wife said, don't be silly, there is no boys here, said his wife. So no boys here, why do you behave like this, she asked. Then the giant had a magical harp that could play beautiful songs. Magical harp you know, that is a musical instrument. So magical harp means magical harp. Magical harp means a large wooden magical instrument. Musical instrument. Musical instrument. Okay, ma. So musical instrument with many strings that you play with the fingers. So that kind of musical instrument, harp it is. So that he brought it, that he saw. So that could play beautiful songs. So he had that magical harp to play the beautiful songs. While the giant slept, Jack took the harp and was about to leave. So up to that he hid himself. So while he was giant sleeping only, he is taking the same way he tried this time also. But suddenly the magic harp cried, help master, help, the boy is stealing me. Yes, that is a magical. Na? So that's why help master, help. That it said. Help master, help. A boy is stealing me. This magical harp it is. Not only play the music. If anyone doing something, immediately it intimates. Then immediately it shouted. It make the sound. So the giant woke up and saw Jack with the harp. So immediately he woke up and yes, he saw a human body with the harp. So furious. Furious means very angry. Furious ma? Furious means very angry. Very angry. Too much of angry he got it. So furious he ran after Jack. So very angrily, yes, tried to chase this Jack. So but Jack was too fast for him. So but Jack, yes, very young, very fast he was running. He ran down the beanstalk and reached home also. Yes, this giant also can come. But first this came down and he reached the home. Not only that, the giant followed him down. So the giant is also coming down. That's why Jack quickly ran inside his house and fetched an axe. Immediately when he came down, immediately he went into the house and he brought an axe. Why? To cut the beanstalk. So he began to chop the beanstalk. So immediately he cut the beanstalk. So completely he chopped it. So the giant fell and died. So suddenly fell down means they died. Like that here the giant fell down and died. So Jack and his mother were now very rich and they lived very happily. So then they have hen for getting the golden eggs and now musical instrument is there, music, harp. So with all of them they are enjoying a lot. Okay children. So like this the luck is continued to Jack. Yes, whatever the work he had done. Yes, it continued. Up to that they struggled a lot. But later from this magic beans their total life turned. Right children? Enjoyed this one? So Jack and his magic beans. Jack and the beanstalk. Jack and the beanstalk. Sometimes this kind of magics may happen. Okay, all of you read the lesson 2 to 3 times. Then we can do the question answers easily. Hello children, you have completed the lesson. I told you to read it. The Jack and the beanstalk, right? Have you read the lesson? Yes. Are you ready to start the question answers? Very good. So now today we can do from this comprehension part. It's a time to answer. Time to answer. What do we have? Answer the following questions. Whatever the questions we have, that we should do the answers. Okay children. So all of you open the notes and textbook. Write the answers in the notes. Okay ma. So now open the textbook and notes. So see the first question all of you. What is the first question? Where did Jack and what did Jack get in place of his cow? What did Jack get in place of his cow? So what did Jack get? Yes, 5 magical beans na? That one. So write the question first. Write the question first. What did Jack got? What did Jack get? What did Jack get in place of his cow? In place of his cow. So what did Jack get? Write the answer for this. Write the answer. Jack got 5 magical beans. Jack got 5 magical beans. 5 magical beans in place of his cow. In place of his cow. What did Jack get in place of his cow? Jack got 5 magical beans in place of his cow. Right? And see the second question, Nana. So what do we have the second question here? What had Jack seen when he looked out of his window the next morning? Yes, what did he see? A big beanstalk, right? So he saw a huge beanstalk, right? Write the question first. What had Jack seen? What had Jack seen when he looked out of his window when he looked out of his window the next morning? Next morning. So what had Jack seen when he looked out of his window the next morning? So what did he see? Write the answer for that. So Jack saw a huge beanstalk. Jack saw a huge beanstalk and had grown from his magic beans. So what had Jack seen when he looked out of his window the next morning? What had Jack seen when he looked out of his window the next morning? Jack saw a huge beanstalk had grown from his magical beans. Okay, children. So that is the second one. And see the third one. What do we have? Third one. See the question. Third one. What do we have here? And what did the lady give Jack to eat? What did the lady give Jack to eat? What did she give? Yes, bread and milk she had given. She had given bread and milk. That we should write it. So write the question first. What did the lady give Jack to eat? What did the lady give Jack to eat? What? Write the answer for that. Answer: the lady gave Jack bread and milk to eat. Bread and milk to eat. So what did the lady give Jack to eat? The lady gave Jack bread and milk to eat. Okay, children. So first write these three answers and then I'll tell you remaining two. Write those three first. See the fourth question, children. What is the fourth question? What laid a golden egg? What laid a golden egg? Yes, the hen laid a golden egg. Na? Write the question first. Fourth question. What laid a golden egg? A golden egg. So what laid? Here write the answer for this. Write the answer. The hen laid a golden egg. Laid a golden egg. The hen laid a golden egg. Okay, ma. And see the next question, what do we have? Yes, here. What could the magical harp do? What could the magical harp do? What it can do? Yes, it can play beautiful songs. So write the next question. What could the magical harp What could the magical harp do? What could the magical harp do? What it can do? Write the answer for this. The magical harp could play beautiful songs. The magical harp could play beautiful songs. Beautiful songs. The magical harp could play beautiful songs. Okay, children. And see the next question. What do we have? Sixth question. So, who lived in the kingdom? What do we have? Who lived in the kingdom? In the kingdom. So, who lived there? Yes. The giant and his wife. The giant and his wife lived in the kingdom. Giant and his wife lived in the kingdom. Who lived in that kingdom? The giant and his wife lived in the kingdom. Okay, children. So these are the question answers. First write them and then we can do next grammar topic.